Are you over 60 and it's time for you to retire, but you are scared to retire because you don't have enough or you don't have no funds saved up for your retirement to enjoy your golden years? I've got a solution for you. In our community of the digital growth community, we've got people of over 80 years old that is learning on how to run their own successful online business. And they learned it and they are successful because they don't want to be a burden to their children in their olden days. You know, these people want to retire, they want to be retire gracefully. They want to have proper medical care. If that is you, do not stress about finances or don't worry about not having enough. If you want to start your own online business from the comfort of your home and follow a step-by-step blueprint that teaches you exactly how to be successful in your business, earn 100%, have multiple streams of income, and just work less and earn more, you can absolutely drop me a yes in the comment section and I'll send you all necessary information.